I became an MP. I have struggled on the ground for 20 years. In 2006, I finished my engineering, and after that, I've been working on the ground in slums. I've done so much of work in Delhi Commission for Women. 9 years, we've handled 170,000 cases. And I think it was historic, the kind of work that we were able to do, and that's why I was given a ticket and I went as an MP in Delhi. But what happened after that, I think the entire country knows, and it's very unfortunate. So I think that women reservation is something which is very crucial. It's not just a political issue, it's a social issue. I think women have to be given their equal representation in the parliament. It's so unfortunate that right now only 14% of the parliament is women. I think that's something that is very shameful. That number has to be raised, but at the same time, implementation is the key, because just by bringing a law which is strong, which gives representation to women, and even if we have 33% women in the parliament, what happens after that? Are the parties, political parties, bold enough to accept strong voices from women? That's a question. Also, if something happens to a woman in the party, if something happens to a woman, if she's assaulted, if there's sexual harassment, what kind of systems do we have to protect women in politics? Do we have strong internal complaints committees in each and every political party? Do we have mechanisms that suppose some problem occurs, and if the party leadership decides to completely finish off one woman, will other women in the party stand up for her? Will other women across party lines stand up for her? I think these are important questions which reflect the patriarchy that exists in our society as well as in our systems, and something has to be done about it.
We do hope so. I think you raised some good points. But Ikra, you come from a party jahan pe you have the famous